Ciao, Randy here with Randy Repairs It. I'm gonna do a little unboxing. I made a trip to my local little store and I got some new Parkside stuff. Not really gonna unbox these, but I got some clamps because I can always use more clamps. Actually, let's pop them off real quick. Why not? So, click, click, click. One more click. There we go. Let's chuck that over in the cardboard pile. All right. So, let's see here. Oh yeah, there we go. Slide. All right, these aren't bad. Nice little clamps. All right, but that's not what this video is about. So I'm gonna set these out of the way. And I'm gonna back you guys up just a bit because I feel like we're too close. All right. So this is what the video is about. The Parkside 20 volt cordless garden sprayer. Unboxing, and we're gonna try it out. Let's see how it works. I believe this was 39 euros, which is like most of the stuff that I get from Lidl. That's Parkside stuff. This does not come with a battery. It's a big instruction book. Looks like it's in German, English, German, French, Dutch, Italian, and maybe Polish. I'm not sure about that one there. All right. So nothing else in the box. Set this aside. All right, let me grab a Parkside battery. Oh, there's one on the charger. That's why. Okay. This one's full. All right. All right. So it's got all these warnings on it. Basically, don't spray people. All right. So it looks like that it's just like a fuel tank can, right? Yeah, and then there's a pickup tube that's got weights on it. Let me see if I can get in and show you that. Show you the weights here. Let's see. You can see. There they are. You got them. So neat design. And here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put in this stuff here. This is pyrethrin. Should be. Let me make sure. I mean, that's what I ordered. It's supposed to be pyrethrin. It's called Sip-A-Kill or Chip-A-Kill, depending on what it's in. It's in Italian, so it'd be Chip-A-Kill. Basically, I got this because I was looking for something that was pyrethrin based. And pyrethrin is derived from marigolds, I believe. So I wanted to be able to spray for the ticks, and I wanted to be able to spray this on my garden. So you can't spray around kids, animals that are going to be slaughtered, domestic animals, in particular cats. Sorry, it's in Italian. It takes me a second to read it and translate it. Yeah. Around potable water. Stuff's nasty. All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna spray. We're gonna not spray the garden with it. We're gonna spray the walkways, the walk areas where we walk our dogs, and hopefully it will kill the ticks. Instructions for use. 10 grams of product per liter of water. Okay, and the sprayer is 2 liters, if you can see that, right? 2 liters, 2L. So let me see where my, what is this? This is a liter. This is 1,000 milliliters. Okay, so I'm gonna get some water in this, and we're gonna put 10 mils in. I'll be right back. All right. And we need 10 mil of this stuff. I do wash my knife, by the way, regularly, and wash it and sharpen it. Okay, so 10 milliliters. Where's the mils? There we go. Oh, it's right at the bottom, so it's not a lot. Not a lot for this. It's right there. It's about 15 milliliters, so it's gonna be a little stronger. All right, shake it up a minute, and I'm gonna go get my respirator because I don't want to breathe this stuff. All right, here's where my dogs walk. All right, so that was awesome. I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed using that. If you've ever had to use a manual pump sprayer, you know that the area I did just now wasn't that long, but it's long enough I probably would have had to pump the thing up 2 or 3 times to get it to spray, and it would not have covered that much area. This is on par with those ATV sprayers. It doesn't spray as far as those sprayers do, but it does do a nice fog. Goes out. I would highly recommend having a respirator on, no matter what you're spraying, because you just don't want to take a chance. This stuff clearly states on the label that it will damage the respiratory system. So you don't want to be breathing this in at all. It's an insecticide. Here in Italy, all that stuff's really highly regulated. And like I said, it was supposed to be pyrethrin based. I don't know, you can let me know in the comments if you know something different. I'm not fluent in Italian by any means, so I might be reading this completely wrong. It's quite possible. Anyway, I have a recommend on this for 39 euros. This is fantastic. You could spray any kind of liquid fertilizer, all sorts of stuff like that. So insecticides, pesticides, herbicides, whatever. So, all right, like and subscribe, and I thank you for watching.